In this video, I'm going to make a quick demo about our system. So basically the full system, how it works. First of all, we offer these type of websites. Lately, we've been giving them for free, but that's not going to last for too long. So these websites, these are sample websites. We have about 4 or 5 templates like that. Similar to this one. You can pick one of our templates or you can use your own. If you have a website, there's nothing to change. We can implement our software with your system. So this website comes with this form. This form actually talks to your back office. This is your back office that comes with your membership. So it's basically a dashboard, has a calendar, has dispatch sheet. If there's some today, you can dispatch it. Basically, you can create accounts, stuff like that. So here is the website. Let me show you how the form works. So we're gonna go here. Customer's gonna go here, enter 2 addresses. Google will gives you suggestions on the address so they don't make mistakes. Pick up the time, passenger, and let's do PM. Let's do 9:10 PM. Search vehicles. Now here it gives you codes. All these pictures and prices are coming also from your back office here. So these are your vehicles that you have. They're listed here with the prices and everything. Okay. And let's say I'm going to select the sedan. Boom, I put first name, last name, credit card info. If you want a child seat, I can add the child seat. Watch child seat just got added. You can add multiple charge services that you offer, and it will be added to your. So when it's confirmed, when the reservation is confirmed, you will get a text message in your phone telling you, hey, somebody made a reservation in your system. You need to accept it or reject it. Also, the customer will get an email saying, hey, we received your reservation and it's pending review. Once it's accepted, we'll get a full your confirmation email. So once that's done, you're gonna go here to your dashboards and then pending reservations. Here are the reservations that are pending acceptance. So once I accept it, accept reservation, the customer will get an email. He can get an SMS too, depending on your settings. You can set it up to be email, SMS. So here is what it is. So you go to settings, communication preferences, and here you can select if they want emails, SMS. You can adjust all your communication settings. So back to pending. So far I have 3 reservations. I'm accepting them all. Okay. So there's a lot of emails now going on to the customers, which is confirmation emails. And then I'd go to my dispatch grid. Let's see if I have anything today. Because I don't have nothing. Have one on set. Yeah, we do have today. So let's click on it. So these are the reservations. I'm gonna dispatch this one. So to a driver. So I'm just gonna click on here, and I'm gonna select dispatch. The driver will have an app that he could actually accept reservations from and update the status of each reservation. And also here, as the admin, you can hide the prices from the driver if you want to. So if you want to show the prices, just leave it alone. But if you want to hide it, click here. The driver will not see the prices. So I'm gonna dispatch this one to pick up. There you go. I got a driver. Very good. So driver, he will get it on his app. Once he's accepted it, this thing is gonna change to accepted by driver. Okay, then you know it's fully dispatched. Driver is aware of it. Everything is fine. And 1 hour before the pickup time, the driver will get an SMS reminder telling you, hey, you have a pickup 1 hour from now that we're supposed to be ready for. And once the driver is clear, completed, boom, he makes complete, update status, done. As soon as it's done, so you know it's completed. When you want to charge, there's no credit cards here, but cards are here under payments. No, there is a credit card here, so you can actually process it to see. Let's see. Well, let's see if I can process this one real quick. 180. You can actually, when you have those rates, you can actually have full control. You can change them to whatever you want. So I don't want to do it too heavy at all, so I'm just gonna do 0%. So I want to charge the card. Fuel surcharge 0. So I'm just showing you like the prices that come in with your settings. They're not set on stone. You can always, so $1 safe pricing. I'm gonna charge this credit card. So I go to payments. Here's the credit card, process payment. Okay, it looks good. Process. Wait for the approval. There you go. It's been approved. Okay, and then automatically the customer got his receipts via email. So that saves you a lot of hassle, a lot of administration work, stuff like that. If somebody wants to pay with invoices, that system also works with invoices too. You can actually build, let's say, 10, 20 reservation and send one invoice to your customers and give them the option also to pay 100% of it or pay maybe 50%. Let's say if you're looking for deposits, stuff like that, it will actually allow you to set deposits. So let me look for this dashboard here. What else is in the system? Yeah, so that's what it does. Calendar. You can see your calendar, what's going on throughout the month. How to make your prices though? So first of all, you go to your vehicles. There's different ways to. So let's say for this sedan, I have this sedan. I put my picture. If you have your own picture, you can actually change and upload your own picture. In this settings, I ask for $2 per mile, but a minimum fare of $180. That's a little too much. It should be just probably 55. Okay, an hourly rate, I would say 55, minimum 3 hours. So in this case, I ask for $2 per mile. But if somebody's just going like 2 blocks, I'm not gonna make $4 or $2. I'm telling it minimum is 55. So if somebody's going short distance, I'm gonna get 55 first, you know. And if anything less than 55, it will be 55. And then on top of that, it'll be $2 per mile too. This is for charters hourly rates. 50, somebody books an hourly, it's 55 an hour, minimum 3 hours. Passenger capacity 4. That's probably sedan, should be just 3. Okay. Now, let's say in your city that doesn't work for you like that. What you can do is you can just ignore that and just go to mileage settings. And here you can do, some people like to do like from 1 to 10 miles, I want to charge 55. From 10 to 20, I want 65. 20, 30, I want 75. So what you can do it like this, bulk range, generate. So here I can, from 1 to 10, I want 55. 11 to 20, 65. 21, 75. 85. You know, and you get the point. So now the system will completely just, they measure these miles and they'll give you the rates you selected. Okay. I don't want to do this in this company. Also, what we have this, let me turn this off. I don't want to do this. So turn it off. Also, we have this thing called zone exceptions. Zone exception is settings. Zone exception, it's here. What this does is I can add a zone. I can put, let's say, if I want to go from this zip code to this zip code. If somebody books a car from this zip code to this zip code, I don't care about anything. Give me, let's say $1,000. I'm exaggerating to make my point. So all your calculations, everything in the back will be ignored, and it will, if these two match, these zip codes match, then you'll get the amount of money you want here. That works a lot with people from New York and places where the distance is short, but it's very hard to get there, or it could cost you the whole day for, like, say 10 miles. And yeah, so I need to calculate reverse. Okay, reverse, I want to do the same thing, and add zone exception. So now, if anybody books a reservation from this zip code to this zip code, I will get $1,000. Okay, just, this is not, you can just, an example, so you get my point. Yeah, what else? Okay, custom charges. We're going to talk about custom. This is like the main thing in your system. So what it does is, this is how you set up those extra charges on top of your base fare. So this one is a toll. Toll is automatically calculated. You don't have to do anything. When customers put from location to location, the system will find out if there's any tolls and it will add them to the system. That's it, you're done. If you're willing to charge fuel surcharges, you can pick percentage, you know, percentage. Here it's 5%, but you can always change it to, let's say, 3%, you know, or you can make it flat. Let's say I want $3, for example. This is fixed amount, $3. Okay. Usually fuel surcharge should be by a percentage because it could be long distance and you only make $10, $3. This does make sense. So 3, airport tax. I'm from Chicago, and I know that whenever we pick up from Chicago, they charge us $4 to pick up. So I know different cities, they have $5, $6. So you can go here and say, hey, I want to charge $4, either for both pickup and drop-offs only, or only pickups. In Chicago, they only charge for pickups, which is $4. So, and you can change it to whatever price you want here. And child seats charging $30. If you don't want to use something, let's say you don't offer child seat, just turn this off and it will not show up. Okay. Gate meets, that's when you go to the airport with a sign, you want to pay for parking and all that. You can also offer that or not. Extra stop, somebody asks you for extra stop, so you add that in there. If you want to charge credit card fees, I don't like that, so I'm gonna turn that off. Okay. So then as soon as you do this, your company is ready to go. The other thing that you need is your commercial service gateway. So how do you accept credit cards? So we offer three types of gateways, 3 companies: Square, Stripe, and Authorize.net. So I totally recommend Square. So there is this video right here. Once you go to this page, it shows you how to actually get these codes, to install your Square up for you so you can accept credit cards. Yeah, that's pretty much the basics of this system. One more thing I meant to mention is you can have multiple companies here. Let's say I have this company, I want to create another one. You can create another one with a complete different email, different phone number, and settings, different drivers, all the same, and they're all going to be on the same dashboard. So all reservations are going to be here. So you can book a reservation and then select which company. See here, once I have another company, I can switch companies here and just enter that company. So your dashboard will have multiple companies. You can do 10, 20. If you have questions or you need more functionalities, we can do them for you. We can actually build your extra functionalities, stuff that you need that custom to your own business. We can help you do that. So yeah, please give me